performance for your two-wheeler starts with a full system upgrade. Red Rooster Performance slip-on with our precision-built header pipe. These header pipes are designed to deliver more horsepower, torque and throttle response. Available in polish, matte and black finishes, in single and double O2 sensors. Each of these headers are crafted for strength, style and sound. And yes, every RRP header pipe comes with warranty because real performance deserves real assurance. Explore all available header pipes for your bike at redroosterperformance.com. If you are having any doubt, please WhatsApp us or call us as 9686339999. Red Rooster Performance, Parrot Clay.